audio video recorder and I've tested the MP4 format. I've found out that the MP4 format isn't working for me. I'm not sure if it's working for you, but if it doesn't, then you can still feel free to select the AVI format option, right? So you can toggle between the recording videos in AVI format, recording videos in SWF format, or recording videos in MP4. But the MP4 doesn't work for me, so I've reverted back to using Cam Studio to record videos in AVI format, right? So in a previous video I mentioned how to use VIP video converter, how to use it to convert videos to MP4, right? But I have another great alternative to that. It's for me, it's working much better than VIP video converter, and the name of it is Wondershare video converter, and it's free. Yeah, Wondershare, like Wonder Woman. Right? So it's pretty straightforward as well. All you have to do is install it, download it, install it, run it, and it comes up on your desktop as a shortcut. You open it, and then this is what you're gonna see. So for a demonstration, I'm just gonna click add files, gonna click on this one. I have several videos to convert, right? It comes up fairly quickly, right? And it allows you to edit it. If you try to select high speed conversion supported, it's gonna ask you to upgrade. So just click on no thanks. You can also edit it. You can crop it, change the size of it if you want. You can add there's different effects here. Exit out. Just a sec. Right, so you can, as you do that, then you can hit convert. You hit convert and it's gonna start converting. It says waiting, it's gonna start. Right, so you're gonna see the percentage here as it goes along. So this is what I would recommend for now. I have more killer tools to tell you about as time goes along, tools that will suit your business in any capacity. Some of these are free, some of these are paid, so stay tuned.